For most of human history, nature absorbed our mistakes. Forests regrew, oceans diluted waste. Soils recovered. That margin is gone. Earth is no longer resilient enough to correct human inaction. Restoration is no longer a choice. It is a requirement for continuity. Civilizations do not collapse suddenly. They collapse when systems fail quietly. Water, food, energy, stability. Every one of those systems depends on ecological function. No economy survives ecological failure. No technology replaces a living planet. This is not ideology, it is dependency. Human systems sit on top of biological systems, not the other way around. When restoration is delayed, adaptation costs explode. Emergency response replaces planning. Crisis management replaces governance. Short-term survival replaces long-term progress. At that point, options disappear. Restoration only works while systems still function. Once thresholds are crossed, recovery becomes uncertain or impossible. That is why restoration must occur before collapse, not after. This is the last phase where coordinated action still works. Not because humanity lacks intelligence, but because biology has limits. Earth restoration is not activism, it is infrastructure. Just as roads enable economies, ecosystems enable civilization. Without them, everything else fails. This is not about saving nature. It is about preserving the conditions that make civilization possible.